Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Power on the Samsung TV and ensure the remote responds. Once the correct HDMI input is active, press Home and open Settings. Navigate to Picture, then Picture Size Settings. This is where Zoom lives. You're taking the first actionable step. Choose the menu that directly controls screen scaling. Make sure any external device is playing video so you see live changes. If a firmware prompt appears, postpone updates and continue. They can interrupt Zoom adjustments. Now you'll change scale and placement. In Picture Size Settings, pick Zoom, Screen Fit, 16:9 or Custom. Each alters cropping differently. You want Zoom to enlarge the center, Screen Fit to remove overscan, and Custom to fine-tune. Use the arrow keys to increase size or reposition horizontally and vertically so menus and captions remain visible. Pause and inspect corners. If edges are cut off, reduce zoom slightly. Once done, let the picture play for a few seconds to confirm motion looks natural. Finish by saving your settings and testing different apps and inputs to ensure consistency. If some content still appears cropped or letterboxed, return to Picture Size Settings and choose Default or Screen Fit to restore proper aspect. Make sure the source device isn't applying its own zoom. Check its display settings and HDMI scaling. If problems persist, reboot the TV and check for firmware updates. Outdated software can cause scaling bugs. One quick troubleshooting tip: reset picture size to default, then reapply custom.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.